Sa bawat bayani may kwento ng simula. Si Jose Rizal, ang ating pambansang bayani, ay nagmula sa isang pamilyang puno ng inspirasyon, kultura at talino. Halina't balikan natin ang kanyang pinagmulan at kabataan.
Good day everyone, my name is John Louis V. Gumapak and this is my story.
Every person has a unique journey. Our family, childhood, experience, education, and struggles help shape who we are today. While studying the life of Dr. Jose Rizal, I realized that even though he lived more than 100 years ago, many of his experiences can still relate to people like me.
In this video, I will share my life journey and how it connects to the life of our national hero.
How was when I was young? My mom answered. Sa edad nga 18 anyos, gianak ko si John Louis. Usa siya kahimsog ug nagpuyo kami sa una sa furniture shop sa Batuan. Sa amo sa akong bana, malipayon kaayo ang mga trabahante kay way laing bata gawas lang niya. Sayang pagdako, ipasulod nako siya sa banda aron malikayan ang dili maayong barkada. Nagakat-on siya sa pagtukar og trumpet. Apan wala niya kini nalahutay tungod sa kalisod sa kinabuhi. Bisan pa man, mapasalamaton ko kay siya nahimong buotan ug matinahuron nga anak. Just like Rizal, who grew up in a loving family, I also learned important values from my parents, such as respect, hard work, and perseverance.
So, good morning everyone. So, dito nga karon sa atong pag-video. So, karong video is issue no kung asa kong nagdako jud. So, mo ni mong balay. Kaning balay na mo is dili jud ani mi napuyo sa una kay among gipuyon sa una is sa trabaho ni Papa, shop ba nga furniture. Katong balay is gamay ra kayo. Ani ken ngani ra nga balay kaning guwa na mo. Ngani ra. So mo tong nakalugar-lugar si Papa og kwarta mo tong nagtukod siya balay sa Tigbaw kay ang iyang papa is taga Tigbaw. So mo na mong simbahan. Kaning simbahan mo is simple ani. Kuan po siya dool po sa among balay na to dool mapilang kilometro. Ano mong balay ko sa una. Sige ko gatin walay absin ba. Hindi malimtan nga memories ani is kanang kog belbel ba kanang tigdukdok kay door magbay ba murag ako yung saligan kay ang tigdukdok sa una is tiguwang man motong murag ba ko anong punlari. So mo na mong basketballan o barangay hall. So doon gito na kayo. So kuan siya ang simbahan og bulan doon na ang simbahan sa likod na. Mo na ang paboritong lagan sa una kay kunin. Mong balay og basketballan is doon na kayo. So ano ko sige lagan kaadlaw ani magkabay sige dai tulog tayo. So ang isbulahan po dog bulan is labing dolar na kayo nasa okra. So ano sa kung si tambay kay daghang mga bata gud na ang di pud nga malimtan nga memorya ni Juan kanang magdampa-dampa ito batik ko ani ang stage o kuan pod sa ari pod Picas is nani siya kanang murag kanal sa una baham yeah opa man ni atop so masudlan yung tubig so mao ra siguro to muro to ma-share no nga di makalimtan nga memories kay murag sa ang paboritong laganan mo dis basketball lang na jud kay og sa eskwelahan na may klase sige o support mo sige tambay mura to siguro hindi ko yung mano live wala di makalimutan no bye.
Life is full of challenges. There were moments when I felt discouraged and questioned myself. In school, I faced academic pressure and difficult subjects. Sometimes, I worry about my future and whether I would achieve my goals. This experience taught me patience, determination, and resilience. Mr. Rizal also experienced challenges during his childhood and education. Despite discrimination and difficulties, he continues striving for excellence.
Karon is mag-interview ta sa old best friend na sa una since grade 1 to grade 6 so dahil ang bayar ida. Sige.
Bye sa akong best friend is duhat pa min niya kay nilakaw pa.
Do you remember me when we were younger?
So aside sa igagaw mo ni Louie, we were best friends since then. So Louie was a very good friend and he also loves mga sports like running, volleyball, and we shared both common mga like we both of us were adventurous since then and tanang mga kabuang sukad pagbata na experience na mo. That's why murag lingaw and buo akong childhood because of him.
Oh, thank you.
My friends became an important part of my childhood. Together, we shared laughter, adventures, and unforgettable memories through them. I learned that the value of friendship, teamwork, and trust. My community also helped shape my personality and values. My educational journey started at Tigbao Elementary School. Taught me not only academic lessons but also important life skills. Along the way, I experienced success and failures that helped me grow. Some teachers inspired me to work harder and believe in myself. Today, I continue pursuing my dreams through education. Like Rizal, I believe that education is a powerful tool for creating a better future. This is what a typical day in my life looks like. I start my day by preparing for school. Throughout the day, I attend classes, complete assignments, and try to best to learn. At home, I help chores and spend time with my family. Although my daily routine is simple, it teaches me discipline, responsibility, and gratitude. As I reflect on my life, I realize that my family, education, and experiences have shaped who I am today. Like Jose Rizal, I faced challenges that helped me grow stronger and more determined. These experiences taught me to keep moving forward despite difficulties. My dream is to finish my studies, help with my families, and make a positive difference on my community. Just as Rizal used his talents to serve others, I hope to use my abilities to achieve my dreams and help those around me. Thank you for watching my story.